build your dreams and you ready, teacher? Very good friend of mine told me something the other day. So have a good time. The sun can't shine every day. Can't shine every day.
Hey, I'm Ronnie Gunther. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you have something going on in the community and you want to share it on the morning show, we'd love to have you. Send us an email at news@PembinaValleyOnline.com. If you like the video, give it a like and share it with your friends. We'll see you next time.